drive. 5 hours from our house. So may isang oras na tayo nag-drive, no? The weather is nice, pero knowing British weather, baka umulan to din mamaya. It's currently 2:57 p.m. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kami doon ng 6 p.m. Pero ano pa naman summer, kaya hindi pa masyadong madilim nun. Yeah. We'll see you there. Right. So, we still have 2 hours, 14 minutes left. 5:18 na ngayon. Nag-stop muna kami sa service area. But look what we found.
Walang
Wow! Sabi ni Sebastian. Nakakita kami ng siopaw. Pork bao pan. Kaso, walang sauce. Ang meron lang na sauce is sweet chili. So, I'm not sure. Baka hindi parehas dun sa siopaw natin sa Pinas. But well, authentic Asian food. We'll find out later. Mamaya. Medyo busog pa kami. At nasa kape. So yeah. Sebastian, say hi. Kanina kapagising.
Saan naman to?
Naka-gloves pa din siya kasi hindi pa masyadong healed yung sugat niya at kinukot-kot pa din niya. So, we'll see you after 2 hours and 12 minutes. Bye!
That's our quest for today.
Hindi namin actually alam kung saan exactly yung location. Pero I'm assuming maliit lang siguro na village yun. Iniisip ko kasi sabi naman niya nung sa video, if anyone wants a free book, so pwede natin kunin. And then, yung libro na binili ko, balik na lang natin.
Dala mo ba yan?
Hindi ko nga dinala naisip ko lang nung papunta na tayo. Time check. 3 minutes to 7. Medyo maliwanag pa. Kaso mukhang uulan. Search ko yung red telephone box.
In 150 yards,
13
turn
minutes
right
from
onto
here.
Cambrian Way. Turn right onto
Based sa
Cambrian
picture,
Way,
parang
then turn
parehas
right
lang
onto
dun sa
Cambrian Drive.
Parang parehas naman dun sa video. So hopefully makita natin. But we're having a great view of the Irish Sea. Hey! Ba't hindi ito nabanggit sa video ni Itchy Boots? I'm doubtful tuloy if this is the right way. See that one?
I think it's better.
I'm really doubting this is the place. Cause Itchy Boots would have like, oh, look at the sea.
Did you search it ba?
telephone booth.
Yan, telephone booth yan eh.
But there's no book. This is not it. Let's stop somewhere. Okay. We found the telephone booth. Ay, nandun sa baba, kaso hindi, walang libro. So, that means nasa wrong, we're on the wrong place. And now we have to stop somewhere and search again. Okay. As it turns out, we're still like...
Video.
Oh! Wow! We're just going downhill at babalik kami. Ang layo pala namin. 1 hour and 10 minutes from here pa pala. I don't know what happened. What's this? Is this a train tracks?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Look, may train tracks dito sa ano. I don't know if it's still working. But, is it working? I think
This
so.
is what we found earlier. This telephone
Wow. Yeah, that's the telephone booth. But there's no book, so... Uy! Ay, nako!
booth.
Excuse me? Yes. How do you see? Me. Hello. Hi. Okay. May tao sa likod natin. Goodness. Time check. It's 8:15. 8:15 in the afternoon, in the evening. Pero maliwanag pa. Makakarating kami doon ng mga 9. Hopefully ganito kaliwanag pa din. Sabi niya kanina. Mahirapan daw si Dracula sa bansang ito.
Gabi na.
Kasi gabi na, maliwanag pa din. Nga naman, no?
Tara na babe, pasok tayo dyan. Maginaw. I'm cold. Oh my god. It's getting dark babe. Baka Dracula na dun, no? Tara na.
Does it smell like ano? Siopaw?
Huh?
No, you have to put sauce, ah. Yeah?
Ang yung sauce.
Oh, sama ano. Indian chili sauce. Because they don't have the ano.
Parehas lang ba to?
Well, hindi. Pero... masarap pag mainit siguro na. Sebastian? Okay. How are you doing? Are you enjoying? Okay. Where are we? Okay, guys. We're 2 minutes to the red telephone booth. Sana ito na yung tamang lugar. Sinearch ko naman. So hopefully. Time check, it's 9:12 na. 1 minute na lang. Let's see. Yan, glagand. Wait. Yun na yun. Okay, I can see the... Oh,
Is it here?
yes, I think so. This is it.
That's it.
Wow! Excited ako, ah. Haha, I don't think I see it. But hey, help yourself, free books.
Let me see babe. Punta ako dun.
Sebastian, stay there for a while, okay? Here.
we'll see if Ichibu's book is there. You excited?
Ito yung ano na yun. Ito yung white na ano sa background.
Yeah.
Okay, nakuha na yata.
Hindi, andyan. Nakakita ko kulay blue. Ayan, ay.
Nakuha na yata.
Ay, I didn't think so.
Okay, let's see. One, two. Nakuha na yata eh. Let's see.
Open. That's
Dito
it.
na nilagay eh. Diyan na lang na nalagay.
Ah, it's gone.
Wala na. Wow. Whoever took it, lucky you. Let's see. Baka meron dito. May envelope pa dito. Envelope. Wala na nga. Wala na nga.
Wala na.
It's okay. It's a Sydney Sheldon. This is my first Sydney Sheldon eh. Pero sabi nila maganda naman daw to. You just have to like put some kasi baka maglamat din yung libro ko. Yeah, let's go. It's a shame. That's it. I think we should. What do you want to do, babe? Go home or it's too far to go home. Eh?
Saan tayo pupunta? Yeah. Yeah. Hmm?
Hi.
Hello. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Cheese, it's nice cheese.
What happened? The light.
Okay. It's okay.
Wow.
It's okay, Samin. It's okay.
Guys, this is a nice idea if you're having like a B&B for. Tiyanan! Ang galing, no?
It's.
Of course.
Oh, this is.
I think that's it.
This is it free breakfast?
No, babe.
Nothing is free.
Nothing is free.
Okay.
Because... Hi! It's 20 past 10. Masyadong mahaba. Ito na naman tong anak ko. Ay, say hi, Sebastian. Masyadong mahaba yung biyahe kaya nag-decide kaming magstay muna dito. And then tomorrow we'll have an early start. We'll go and see the aqueduct. And then I think we'll go home after. So yeah. That is it for today and we'll end this video. I hope you like it. Bye.